Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the CONCAT Repeater Smart Tag in Bitform. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the Edit option below the form name. Now, drag and drop the necessary fields from the right sidebar into the form builder. You can customize each field label according to your needs. Now go to the Settings section. Then select Conditional Logics. Click on the Add Conditional Logic button. Set the condition based on your purpose. If the product name field value is not null, then the all product will be concatenated based on the product name value entered the repeater field. This function will automatically concat all the product names in the repeater field. Then click on the Update button. Now let's fill out the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.